If your shoulders look flat, narrow, or just not growing, you're probably making this one mistake. You're training shoulders, but you're not actually hitting your shoulders. Most people spam random exercises, lift too heavy, swing the weights, and completely miss the muscles that actually make you look wide and powerful. Today, I'm going to show you the exact exercises your shoulders need. Not 20 exercises, not confusing science. Just the ones that actually work if you do them the right way. Let's fix your shoulders starting now. First, understand this. Your shoulders are made of 3 parts. Front, side, rear. Miss even one, and your physique looks incomplete. So we're not just training shoulders today. We're building balanced 3 shoulders. Exercise 1. Dumbbell shoulder press. This is your foundation. But here's the twist. Most people do it wrong. They rush. They drop the weight fast. They turn it into a chest workout. Instead, sit down. Lock your core. Press the dumbbells up slowly. And bring them down even slower. If you can't control the weight, it's too heavy. Simple. This one movement builds size, but only if your shoulders are actually doing the work. Exercise 2. Lateral raises, the game changer. If you want that wide look, this is the exercise, but also the most butchered one. People swing, use momentum, go too heavy, and feel nothing. Here's how you fix it. Go lighter than your ego wants. Raise your arms to the side. Pause at the top, then lower slowly. Do not rush. Do not swing. If it's not burning, you're not doing it right. This one move alone can completely change your shoulder width. Exercise 3. Rear delt fly, the missing piece. This is where most people fail. They ignore rear delts and end up with rounded shoulders and bad posture. Lean forward. Let the dumbbells hang. Now, lift them out and squeeze your upper back. This isn't about weight. This is about feeling the muscle. Train your rear delts, and suddenly your shoulders look bigger from every angle. Exercise 4. Front raises. Use smart, not hard. Your front delts already get hit in chest workouts. So here, we don't overdo it. Lightweight, clean reps. Raise the dumbbells in front of you. Pause, then slowly down. Now, this is detail work, not ego lifting. Do it right, and your shoulders look sharper, not bulky and messy. Exercise 5. Arnold press, full shoulder activation. This one hits everything. Start with dumbbells in front of your chest. As you press up, rotate your hands outward at the top. Full extension. Then come back down the same way. Named after Arnold Schwarzenegger, because it works. Simple as that. This is your finisher. And trust me, you will feel it. Quick check. If your shoulders are burning just imagining this, you're on the right track. Because growth doesn't come from comfort. It comes from tension. Now, listen. No exercise will fix your shoulders. If your form is trash, if you train randomly, if you skip days, this is the part nobody wants to hear. But it's the truth. Consistency beats everything. So here's what you do next. Save this. Follow these exercises. Focus on form and give it a few weeks, not days. Weeks. Because real shoulders take time. And one day, you'll wear a t-shirt, look in the mirror, and notice something different. Your shoulders don't just look bigger, they look powerful. And that's when you realize you didn't just train shoulders, you built them right.